Smile. Elliot!
We are brothers who make. Today we're gonna make a longboard.
And a longboard is a relative of the skateboard, which is for cruising around and not trips.
So today we bought trucks and wheels off Amazon.
And we're going to make the deck. It's out of 1/2-inch birch plywood, and we're gonna make a freestyle.
This is gonna be amazing.
We made a freestyle longboard, which means it has a little bit of a slant on the inside. We already drew it out. And we're gonna show you where you put the trucks and wheels. You put the trucks here, and then the wheels are gonna be sticking out over here. It's gonna be open wheeled.
We're gonna show you how to draw this side over here.
So we're gonna use some kitchen things just around the house to make our curves.
Yeah.
I found one of my mom's canning jar lids and a spoon rest. So we're gonna trace it now. So I used my dad's angle tool, and we're going to draw out one of our sides. Now we're gonna use the canning lid to make a rounded side. Okay, now we're gonna do the front side. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the other side on the front. Curve for our freestyle board, and we're gonna use a board, and your hands might hurt a little bit after you bend it. And now we have our outline for when we're gonna cut it out with the bandsaw.
Make longboard, So today we're gonna make a longboard.
We're gonna cut this out with the bandsaw. If you guys don't have one at home, you guys can use the jigsaw.
Or a handsaw.
And I suggest that you use hearing and eye protection. So we're gonna make some relief cuts. Those help with the curves in this. We're gonna put one here, here, and here. And before you start the saw, I'm going to give you a tip, which is to make sure not to start the blade with the wood on it. Otherwise, it's going to have kickback, which means the wood that's in there will come back and hit you. So we didn't clean up the curves with the bandsaw, so now we're going to use the oscillate sander to get it nice and smooth. So we have a riser plate here that goes with the trucks, and we're going to use the center punch to show where they went. So we're going to use the drill drill press and we're going to countersink so that the bolts fit. So now I am going to drill holes so that we can put the bolts in. So we sanded down the board and we masked it with the mountain range of Mount Rainier so that it looked like that when we spray painted it. Okay, so we cut out our trees with the Space Needle and CenturyLink, and we already painted the mountain range, and now we're going to paint the Space Needle in Seattle in black. So we're gonna do the great reveal. It has dried a little while ago, and now we're gonna do it.
It's like unwrapping a present. It's not really a present. We just made it. No!
So we just finished peeling all the tape off, and oops, one more piece. Well, now we are going to polyurethane it.
I am so excited that this is gonna be here. Literally, so excited.
So we just finished, this is our finished product. A neighbor helped us get some grip tape on. We polyurethaned it, oh yeah, we